I live in the UK. Got the engine running now. It's a bit running on 3. I need to give that a bit of a tune because it wasn't doing that the other day. So finally, let's open this up. So got some pipe. I've connected just temporarily this breather, that so I can fill it with petrol. So the tank's in properly now. Clean it up in here a bit. I still need to clean it more, but I'm at a point now where, and because the brakes are working, so I've just done the brakes. So I'm at a point now where I can drive it. I'm just trying to work out why it's suddenly running on 3. It wasn't doing that earlier. So look, windscreen wipers work and it's raining. So got to turn the things off. See that? Anyway, let's try my so I don't know why it's running on 3/4. So we need to suss that out. I'm gonna try that down the road, see if I can make it snap out of this running on 3 bullshit. So yeah, at least the brakes work, eh? Thanks for that. Doing it in the UK.